Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto osingo tiyo gi jood bura mag counties kata women representatives mapacho kaka kodeo riwruog siasa magiwuoke.
Ruto ne wuoyo seche manoyuore romo manokelo kanyakla jotelo maminego duto ma pacho ka.
Jatend piny osingo medo omenda e aguch ngaf mar konyo chwalo chenro mag dongruok e counties. Medruok makamano koni biro chwalo omenda e aguluno nyaka maromo shillings bilion 3.
Ruto jiwo jotelo go mondo konyeno ni oganda jo Kenya ochulo osuru kaka owinjore.
Okwayo jotelo maminego mondo nyuak lwedo kedo kod nyange kod iye ma oyiw e kind nyithindo manyiri kaka yor neno ni gibedo gi ngima makare kendo gidhi mbele gi sombgi.
We understand that money is tight, but we want to assure you that the money that we have as women reps, right? Only 16 of us came back. The rest of them, majority, are new. We will mentor them, we will guide them, we will make sure that we deliver to the hustler nation because we are affirmative. I've cried to you before about the need to change our regulations, the need to be entrenched into treasury, the need to be pegged as women fund into the national cake.
And it is my intention to try and assist women members of parliament from the counties to make the seat that you occupy relevant to the country, relevant to the women of Kenya, and serve together with us in making Kenya better. So you can count on my support, good ladies, as we go into the future. We will enhance the women kitty for Ngaf from 2 billion to 3 billion. And that you will also support me and the government in making sure that everybody pays tax. Yeah, Sindio? And we have also agreed that we will avoid any cuts that will affect your delivery of your agenda as women reps.